Let's head out to Kissimmee. Let's talk to Tom. I hear thunder in the background. I hope that's not outside my window. It looks like it may be as well. Tom, tell us what's going on with your 2000 Lexus.
How you doing, Larry? Thanks again for taking my call. This is the car that I called you last week about, the one that I changed to every 2,000 miles. I want to thank you to give me the advice to change over to Amazon. It's good advice. I thank you. But the question I have for you now is that this same car, which runs great, I had it in the garage for about 6 months, about a little while ago, and they were sitting there. And then the air in the tires, they got really low, almost like flat. And what happened is I put air in them, and then I got the car out and I was driving it. And it's been about 4 months now I've been driving the car, and this one tire, the left tire, is losing air like about 5 pounds per week.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering, what do you think about that? Do you think it could be the valve, the rim, or the tires just by sitting there going flat? What do you think?
Tom, it's very rare you're going to get one that just starts leaking through the rubber for no reason. There could be something in that tire that you don't see. You know, if your other 4 wheels are holding air, your other 3 wheels are holding air pretty good, then, there's probably something, a small nail or something that's gotten into the tire. I'll tell you what you can do. You can get the car out of the garage, get it outside in the driveway or whatever, turn the wheel all the way to the left or right, whichever side the vehicle is, and just get you a spray bottle of soap, some type of a kitchen cleaner of some sort. Dawn dishwashing liquid's real good because it bubbles up real good. Just get you a concentration of water and soap and just start spraying it liberally all over the tire tread and all around the edge of the wheel, and you should be able to see bubbles, and that'll let you know where the actual leak itself is. And then that way, if you take it into a tire store or whatever, you can kind of point them in the right direction of where the leak's at, and they should be able to go ahead and get it repaired for you.